this video, we are going to focus on the forgotten areas of our homes. So I know for me, I'm a good tidy up kind of girl. I like to tidy our home and I like to have a tidy space to live. So like it's very easy for me just to get into a rhythm and a routine of normal things that I clean, especially like the high traffic areas and just the things that are easy for me to see. Oh, that's dirty, I'm gonna go ahead and clean that. But what I do struggle with sometimes are the forgotten areas. So keeping the areas of our home clean that I don't see all the time, or that it's just not part of my rhythm of keeping our home clean. So today I'm going to take you along with me as I clean some of the forgotten spaces in our home. And I really hope you find it motivating and it encourages you to think about areas in your home that you might be overlooking that you Okay, one area that always seems to get overlooked when cleaning in our home are the light fixtures. And so, although I'm going to be cleaning a lot of light fixtures in our house, I thought it might be a little too repetitive to show all of those on camera. So I just wanted to show this pendant. It hangs over our kitchen nook table. This is where we eat most of our meals, since our dining room's kind of on the other side of the house, and this is just easier for us. But we sit here every night and eat dinner together, and I look at this lighting fixture and I think, oh my goodness, that has got to get cleaned. So I'm so glad to be cleaning it today. I'm also going to be cleaning the light fixtures in our bathrooms, and then the light fixtures in like the primary bedroom. So those are some other examples of just lighting areas that need to be cleaned. And I think it's easy to miss this just because typically you have to move things to clean this area. Like I'm standing on one of the benches of this that the kids sit on for this table. But it's just not an easy, convenient thing to clean. I think that's why I miss it most of the time. But this is definitely a primary forgotten area to clean in our house. So I'm glad to be getting this light fixture clean now. Okay, y'all, the next area that I forget to clean often, and I think you might too, is behind the window treatments. So I clean these plantation shutters often, and I clean the outside of the window, but I rarely clean just kind of behind these shutters. And I don't know, I just forget. So my first step is to use this little stick vacuum and vacuum up any like dust or dirt or bugs that have fallen back here, and just to have a clean space. And then I'm going to come back at the second time and use just a glass cleaner. And this area was a lot dirtier than I had expected it to be. So I'm definitely going to remind myself to clean this more often than I do. And so I'm going to clean all of the kitchen windows, which I'm doing right now, and then I'm going to clean the living room and our dining room windows, but I'm not going to clean the bedrooms today. I'm going to save that for another day, but I'm definitely going to remember to do this more often. How often do you guys clean your windows? Are they on your list? Okay, the next forgotten area for me is along the fridge and kind of underneath it. Now, I could not actually move the refrigerator out to do this day. I needed my husband to help me, and he wasn't home when I was filming this. But I am sweeping along the sides, and actually a picture of one of my kids had fallen down here, and so I was trying to get it out of between like the fridge cabinet holder and the actual fridge itself. I did eventually get the picture out, so I felt like that was a win. But anyways, I ran this broom along both sides and then kind of just under the fridge a little bit. And I just feel like this area gets so grimy so fast. We got this refrigerator this summer, and so I know it's been cleaned, at least within the last 6 months. But it was definitely ready to be cleaned again. And I used the same like stick vacuum that I used on the windows right here. And actually, honestly, this vacuum I don't love because it dies really fast. Like anytime you see me stop and push that button, it's because it died. And this vacuum's not that old, and I just feel like it's never performed very well. So I typically really like this brand, but this particular vacuum has just not lasted well. I don't know if it's just this one or if it's this model or what, but it's very disappointing. Okay, you guys, moving on to the living room or the laundry room. Y'all know that this is an area that gets dirty very fast. But something I don't clean in this room very often is right here between like the cabinet area and my dryer. It's just like the perfect gap for a trash can. So I have a trash can here that I take out regularly because it fills up really fast. But I rarely like sweep behind it. Primarily because there's like the little vent for the dryer back here, and so it's kind of hard to clean behind. But you'll see me doing that now. It really, really needed to get cleaned. So I'm so glad that I thought about adding this to the forgotten areas list because it is definitely forgotten in my home. So I'm just going to clean this now. And when I'm done with this area, I'm going to be cleaning the washer and dryer, just the outside of the machines. I'm going to dust them and then just use an all-purpose cleaner to clean them. And then I'm going to clean the door that goes from our laundry room to our garage. It is definitely dirty. I think little kid fingerprints, and it just doesn't get cleaned very often. So it has earned a spot high up there on my forgetting to clean list. So I'm going to take care of those areas now. interested to know if these areas that I'm showing y'all in this video are areas that you forget to clean in your home too, or if you have like a completely different list of areas that you just forget to clean. And if you would, leave me a comment and let me know your most like forgotten area that you have to clean but you forget about, and then when you clean it you think, oh, I've got to do this more frequently. So leave me a comment below with the most often forgotten space in your home that you have to clean. All right, y'all, we're moving to the front doors. So we have guests coming in and out a lot since it's just the holiday season, and the leaves are changing where we live. And so I'm going to blow off this porch with this like electric leaf blower, and then I'm going to clean the door. This is an area that I don't clean often, but really should, because it's the first thing that your guests see when they come up to your home. And right now, while we're getting Christmas packages delivered, the delivery people are seeing this as well, and I'd love for them to have a clean spot to leave any, like Amazon packages. So I sprayed the door with, or I blew the door with the leaf blower first, just to get any cobwebs and dirt off, and then I'm just using a glass and window cleaner to clean the window panes and just getting this area cleaner. It's not perfect, but it sure is a lot better. Okay, the last area that I'm going to clean in this video is in the primary bathroom. I'm cleaning just this mirror that's on the side that I rarely think to clean. It's the mirror that I get dressed in the morning. And so, I just don't think about cleaning when I'm trying to get out the door. But cleaning that, and then just the baseboards, because I think we all can forget to clean the baseboards. So I will do another follow-up video of forgotten spaces soon, but these are just some ideas. I hope they motivate you to clean some spaces you forget to clean often in your house. And I'm so glad you watched today's video. Thanks for being here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.